Pizza is one of the most widely consumed savory bakery products in the world. It is a type of flatbread commonly topped with tomato sauce and cheese. Today, it's become an extremely convenient food product, with sales of over $37 billion annually just in the US alone. And more, frozen pizzas are a marvel of convenience, technology, and modern manufacturing processes. Their popularity and sales continue to rise worldwide, leading to processors to find ways to make more pizzas to meet demand. The largest producers achieve an output of up to 200 by 12 round pizzas per minute, while small operations may produce at rates as low as 10 pizzas per hour. Due to competition in the marketplace, several of the larger regional brands have built factories with production capacity similar to the national brands. As with most food industry segments, the market is becoming increasingly fragmented. Many of the regional brands are competing with the national brands by offering super premium product as well as pizzas for niche markets, such as gluten-free or vegan offerings. There is also strong price pressure in the market, and many of the private label brands try to compete by offering value-priced offerings. Another element in the competition for consumer taste is a great deal of experimentation with different types of toppings, sauces, and crusts. This is forcing the manufacturers to adapt quickly and make equipment purchases that will offer them the most flexibility. While the manufacturing process varies slightly from brand to brand, it generally follows the same steps. Bakery/dough making includes mixing, dividing, forming, pizza topping, freezing, and packaging. A pizza is only as good as its ingredients. All delivered raw materials are therefore thoroughly checked in the quality assurance department before they access production. The firmness of cheese is tested and, of course, tasted. The tomato semi-concentrate for the sauce is checked on its flow rate. This ensures that it is not too thick or thin and that it can be processed ideally. The crust is then conveyed to the topping process, where sauce, cheese, and other toppings such as pepperoni and individually quick frozen, IQF, meats and vegetables are applied. Production process begins with preparing the dough. The ingredients are mixed, knead into a dough in large containers. And then portioned into more manageable balls of dough. After the dough balls are shaped into pizza bases and have been pre-baked, they cool down in the rotating cooling tower so that the topping can be added. But before that, the pizza bases must first pass a visual inspection. Bases that are not perfectly shaped go back into a new pre-dough as a high-quality ingredient. Thus, nothing is wasted. Topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, tomato slices and pesto, a simple pizza base becomes a ristorante pizza mozzarella. At the end of the processing line, pizzas are reviewed for quality, the look of the product, as well as weight accuracy and food safety. The packaging process will vary greatly from manufacturer to manufacturer, but many use an overwrapping machine that applies a clear layer of plastic and automatically cuts each one to fit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to see more. See you on the next video. Goodbye.